Today in this video we'll show you how to modify your gearbox breather hose in your GY650cc scooter. And in this video we'll show you how! Well, hello and welcome to my video. Today we're going to make a little modification to your GY650cc scooter. And some 50cc too, they have the same problem. Unfortunately, their gearbox breather hose is slightly too close to your rear brake. Now, the gearbox breather hose is breathing and helping to release any kind of pressure that is inside the gearbox that is full of oil. Now, you might have a little mist of oil and air coming out from the little breather hose. Now, the problem could be that you could have a little oil going to your rear brake. Now, the problem, you're going to have a big problem because pulling the brake, rear brake, and the brake could not work. So we have to do our best to get the little hose away from the rear brake. So this one is going to be a really easy thing to do. Make sure you place your scooter on a center stand every time you work with the scooter, and it's going to be something really easy and fast to do. I will show you how to do it right now. Well, right here on the rear left side of your scooter, you have the gearbox. This is the back part of the scooter. On the left side, right here, we have the clutch, and behind that, we have the gearbox. And right on top, we have a little breather hose. But if you see this little breather hose, it kind of curves and goes inside a hole right here that goes very close, or a little too close, to your rear brake. Now, you could have a problem because this one can bring a little mist of gear oil and air to your rear brake. Now, this one is a really dangerous thing because you might pull your brake and your scooter might not, might not stop. So you really want to make sure that your scooter is going to stop every time. So you never know what can happen. Now, a little modification that we can do to this one, if you have an old carburetor, you should have at the end is a little drain valve. This is drain valve right here. You can buy them online, maybe on eBay or Amazon. You can find this little valve for about $5. And this one is a drain valve. They're very inexpensive. So what we're going to do, we can place this one right here on the back side of your scooter. So it's really easy thing to do. But make sure that drain valve is not closed, because you don't want to build up pressure inside your gearbox. So this one is something really easy to do that we're going to do it right now, and I will show you how to do it. This one is just a little hose that is right here, and this hose is a 316 hose. Okay, now right here we're going to remove this hose from this little hole right here to expose this one. Now make sure you don't pull, because this hose right here, they get a lot of heat from the motor, and sometimes they break or they crack right here at the beginning, right on top of the gearbox. So do not pull, do not extend this hose a little too much. Now, if your hose is pretty long, you can go down here and you can connect it in one of those bolts with a little drain valve, or you can go right also here. You have a connection right here. Now, you can also use we're going to remove this one right here from the carburetor, the old carburetor I have. There is also a spring right here that you have in a carburetor, if you have an old carburetor. And this spring, you could put it right here to make this hose, a lot stronger, So sometimes these hoses, they break down. So this one could be a good modification, to pass this hose right here and make this hose a lot stronger. Okay, now you could go and cut this one and it would be a lot better, or you just squeeze this one and you go inside and you get it at the end. You're going to place the little valve that you have right here. So this one, that's what you can do. This one is the little valve that you can place right here at the end. Now, but you should cut this part right here, make it shorter to make this modification, and I'm gonna cut it right now for you so at this point we can do this modification a lot better, and we're gonna make a better job, and this part right here we're going to last a lot longer. Okay, so let's just cut this part right here, and I will show you how to cut it right now. And right here we're gonna cut it. That's it. Okay, we cut this part right here. So we have a small piece of spring wire, so we can place it right here. Now make sure you're nice and gentle with this hose, because sometimes it gets a little too much heat from the transmission and the CVT cover and everything, so you really want to make sure you don't put too much stress on this one. Now if it's too long, you can get this one slightly shorter. Okay, now this is how you can get this one here. Now there is a little clamp that you can put at the end. You can place a clamp inside here, and you can place this. This one will be the valve that you're gonna put at the end. But because this valve has a little connection on the side, this one is perfect to connect it to your CVT cover. Now make sure every time that you're going to remove your CVT cover, you remove this little connection. Okay, because you don't want to have this one and remove it, and then you're going to disconnect, you know, this hose from the gearbox. Now you can place it right here, right next to the CVT cover, connected to the CVT cover, and you can place it right there with just a 6mm bolt. Okay, so this one you just go through and you go on the other side, and you place this little screw on the other side of this valve. Okay, now right after you're done that, you should screw this one right here. There's always a connection on these CVT covers. There is a connection right here. That's where you can put the little hose that comes over here. Okay, so this one is a little great modification that you can do with just a little time. Okay, sometimes I think these Chinese people, they went too much in a rush and they didn't finish the work. So I think if you want these Chinese scooters, you have to adjust yourself and do some adjustment, do some slightly modification to your scooter. Okay, so your scooter at the end will become perfect, you know. Now these scooters are really great because you know, they really bring you around town 75 miles per gallon, you know, so it's really great scooters. The only thing you really have to be careful is the maintenance of the scooter. Okay, now right here you have a 10mm, and you can screw in at the 10mm, and you can place it in a position right here. You can put a screw or a bolt that is gonna hold on to this little valve. You know, it's very important to make sure this valve is not going to move or is not going to break. So little by little you can have this valve right here tied up, and this one is a 6mm bolt. Now you can have this one right there. You can have a high, you can have a low. Now make sure this one is not going to move. Okay, now every time you want to replace the belt, or every time you want to replace something inside the CVT cover, you have to remove this bolt before you remove this part right here, you know. So right here we're gonna keep, you know, tighten up this little bolt until it's nice and tight. So this one is a really good thing to do for your GY 650cc scooter, because you really want to keep this hose away from your rear brake. Now if this one is going to leak, it's going to leak here and it's going to go down here. It's not going to leak anymore inside there. Okay, so pay attention to this little hose that you have here, because this one is really important, you know. So the oil will get too close to your brake and you might have a problem. So you don't want to have any problem. Now at the end you want to make sure that the screw that is at the end, you can remove the screw right here. There is a screw at the end of the valve, or you just remove the screw so you can breathe a little more, or you just keep the screw, unscrew a little bit. Okay, Now this bolt is 10 millimeter head, the socket is 10 millimeter, and the bolt inside the threading is 6 millimeter. So this one can be right here, and make sure that this part right here is not closed. Now if your hose is slightly longer, the breather hose for the gearbox is longer, you can get this one slightly lower to the next bolt. The more you keep this hose away from your rear brake, the better it is, the more safe it is for you. Because this one could bring a little mist of oil and air to your rear brake. And you don't really want to have that, because you could break the rear brake, your rear brake might not work, your rear brake may become oily, you could have any problem. Any problem can happen, So doing this one, a little modification that you can do to the rear side of your GY650cc scooter is going to help you a lot to be more safe with your scooter. Okay, we just finished to make a little modification on your GY650cc gearbox breather hose. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also visit my TikTok channel at any time. Thank you very much and have a great day!